3 benefits of mold testing in Cortez, Florida. If you're a homeowner, you know that there's always something that needs to be fixed. From leaky faucets to squeaky floors, it seems like there's never an end to the list of home repairs. But have you ever thought about testing for mold? Mold testing is an important part of maintaining a healthy home, and here are 3 benefits of getting a mold test in Cortez, FL. 1. Identify problem areas. The first benefit of mold testing is that it can help identify problem areas in your home that you may not be able to see. Mold loves damp and humid places, so if you have a leaky pipe or a lot of condensation in your home, mold could be present even if you can't see it. A mold test can help you locate the source of the problem so you can fix it and prevent mold from growing in the future. 2. Peace of mind. Another benefit of mold testing is peace of mind. If you've ever had a musty smell in your home or have noticed some unusual discoloration on your walls or ceilings, mold might be to blame. Getting a mold test will give you peace of mind knowing that your family is safe from harmful toxins. 3. Healthier home. A final benefit of mold testing is that it can lead to a healthier home overall. If left untreated, mold can cause serious respiratory problems for you and your family. By getting rid of the mold in your home, you'll be able to breathe easier and live a healthier life. Conclusion. Mold testing is an important part of maintaining a healthy home. If you're thinking about getting a mold test in Cortez, FL, consider the 3 benefits listed above. Mold testing can help identify problem areas in your home, give you peace of mind, and lead to a healthier home overall. Don't wait. Contact a mold testing company today.